Hello folks, and welcome to another Ugly Dog Challenge. Today we're doing the Steven Challenge. Steven has chosen, my God, I cannot even talk today, has chosen a 3-color bait. Going to be using an alfalfa, neon yellow, black, and black glitter. So let's just jump in here feet first, folks, and get this party started. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to paint this whole bait alfalfa with this green. I had to substitute a color because I didn't have that exact color he asked for, so this was as close as I could come.
To olive green.
To olive green. So I'll look for some of that next time I go to the Hobby Lobby. So, and see what we can come up with for Mr. Steven. Well, let's do the old finger test. You see that it's not running, folks? That's a little heavy for an airbrush yet. Let's just add a little bit and keep stirring. Today we're going to be shooting with the Iwata HPCS. Folks, I've actually been looking at a detail brush, which is, it's a Badger brush. My wife don't know I've been looking at it, but I have been looking at it. Very fine lines, folks, very fine lines. Still a little bit heavy, and I may want to purchase here at some time. Never used a Badger brush, but from what I've talked to my fellow bait makers, they say they're only good for doing detail work. They're not that great for doing heavy work, so like the Iwata, I wouldn't trade my Iwata for 3 of any other kind of brushes, but that's just my own personal. There we go. We're running down there now. Preference, so let's get a little bit of that poured up. Start getting it brushed on this bait. Throw a heat set on it. Well, there's our green laid in there, folks. Not too shabby. To the side, clean our brush, and then we'll start laying our neon yellow on this bad boy. We was using a deep diving crankbait, the one I call the redneck bait, because it looks like a redneck standing up. So while that's a drying there for a minute, let's go ahead and mix our yeller up. I don't even think I've opened this paint since I bought it. Nope. I sure hadn't. I just did that time, didn't I? Ooh, Lord of mercy, that's bright. Actually, I think that this paint came to me for my birthday from my daughter. That's where I think this paint came from. And I'm not even sure that I've even used it yet. I know I haven't. Be the first time. Not going to take a whole lot of it to get this bait done. There we go, folks. We got it mixed up now. Alright, let's just start laying it up here. Again, coats and heat set between. Okay, folks, we're back working on the Steven challenge, and we're down to our last step before epoxy. So we're going to net this thing. And then we're going to spray some black on it. Sometimes I really hate this netting, folks. Sometimes not, but sometimes I do. Sometimes it's a little hard to get it where you want it. But with a little patience, you can get it there. So we got her all netted up. Now we're going to grab our black paint and get it mixed right quick. I'll blow it on there. The whole finger test. She's good. Alright. Let's got our air pressure right just a little bit. Let's make it happen. Looking pretty good there. We'll blow another coat on there. Darken it up some. Heat set it. Pull the netting off of it, the overlay. Excuse me, folks. I have to say overlay or I get in trouble. Okay. Well, here we go. Oh, Lord have mercy. What do y'all think about that? Let's pull out our little bag of eyes here and see what I'm going to do with that. And silver's boring. Kind of got something floating through my head. Yep. Told you I had something already floating in my head for it. A minute. This fish is going to get these yellow and red eyes right here. They're going to look pretty nice on that bait. Howdy folks, we're back with the Steve challenge. All finished up. Mr. Steve chose Mossy Meadow, which is what's on the belly down here, and running up half the bait. Black, which is all about 3/4 of the bait. We left all the belly, the Mossy Meadow, and then he got neon yellow along the top half of the bait. We put some crazy eyes on it. They're yellow and gold, or yellow and red, excuse me. It's got black glitter in it. It's a deep diving crankbait. So that's it, folks. Number 6 mustad hooks on it. That was a fun challenge to do, and that's an awesome looking bait. I know y'all can't see it very well in that, but there will be pictures at the end. So remember to like, subscribe, and share to my channel. If you're new here, welcome. Glad to have you. And y'all have a blessed day, and I'll catch you later.